The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G comes with Infinity O display for an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games or reading ebooks. It is available in Mystic Black and Mystic Bronze colors. The phone comes with a 12GB RAM and 256GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The memory is expandable up to 1TB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G has a 6.9-inch WQHD Plus dynamic Amoled display with 3088 x 1440 pixels resolution that delivers vivid colors and clarity. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth actions on screen. The phone comes with 108 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel triple rear camera with 5x optical zoom and 50x super resolution zoom. It also features a 10 megapixel front camera. The phone lets you record videos at 8K resolution. Powered by Android V 10.0 operating system with Exynos 990 octa-core processor, the phone allows for seamless multitasking. The phone comes with a 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery with super fast charging that gives you 50% charge in just 30 minutes. The box includes handset, adapter, SIM ejector pin, user manual and charging cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.